Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining in. We're going to be talking about elevating user experience by 3D models and digital twin. We're going to be talking about SIMON and KNX integration. So it's a transformative collaboration where SIMLAB's SIMON digital twin technology joins forces with two strong KNX members, Schneider Electric and NETx Automation. So this partnership pioneers a cutting-edge realm of smart environments. By connecting the SIMON digital twin capabilities with KNX's standard, the user experience of real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and energy efficiency are elevated to unprecedented levels. And this synergy amplifies the automation, the comfort, the sustainability, setting a better standard for the future of intelligent building solutions. So with that, I'd like to introduce from SIMLAB, Marek Kozlak, CEO of SIMLAB, and Mikhail Sopa, product owner for the SIMON. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. Over to you.
Thank you, Bob, for the introduction. Yes, I'm the CEO and founder of the company. And today I would like to show you our flagship project, SIMON, that we have just released to the market together with the KNX to bring a 3D digital twin value to the KNX ecosystem. And our flagship product, which I said, is mainly constructed from the three different components. Number one, which is the most important for all of us here in the KNX family, it's a SIMON IoT, which is dealing with the building automation. And the main difference here from the system that you already know, and the main innovation is that we place each data point in the exact location of the 3D scanned model of the building. How to do it and how it's being done, we can show you later on, or please visit our website. But instead of looking on the dashboard with thousands of the data points, we are relocating them in a 3D environment of the actual building. The second part, the second component of our product, is called Asset, SIMON Asset. And this is the part where we are taking everything, all of the documentation, PDFs, manuals, spare part catalogs of all of the components inside of the building, and also allocate them in the XYZ location, building a repository, like a single source of truth for the facility, which, by the way, is a 3D object, available through the cell phone or through any other web browser. And of course, all of that is synchronized with our facility management module, where using a calendar and planning or scheduled actions, you can maintain the building. And together, all of those three modules create a complex facility operating system, which is combining all of those information about the building that you are allowed to control, drive, manage, or even plan in one 3D visual application. How actually it works, how those words actually look on the actual product, please watch the movie with us. Thank you for staying with us. I hope that now you are understanding more what Simon is bringing to the KNX ecosystem. And now let me introduce Michael, who is our subject matter expert, and he will give you more details how the system actually works and what's behind the scenes. Thank you very much, Michael.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Marek, for the introduction. My name is Michał, and I'm product owner of the Simon application in SIMLAB, and I will explain you more deeply how our solution works and what we already done. The Simon is cloud-based application, only software application, which is integrated the KNX infrastructure by 2 ways, and right now at this time for the 2 providers. One of those is the visor for KNX made by Schneider Electric, and we are the first company on the world when we integrated the KNX IoT third-party API, which is very interesting because everybody who have the third-party KNX IoT already integrated and have some gateway for that, any producer can also be integrated with our software. Next one is NETx automation. With the NETx automation, we aimed for the more professional integration with the more than only KNX infrastructure, but also the building management system for the professional way. And we already integrated using the REST API and the specially made by NETx automation portal, cloud portal for our solution. What is our goal or our mission? We want to transfer all the hardware competitors into software collaborators, which means that we want to have many devices, many hardware, and one application which is very intuitive and innovative, and we can bring it into the Simon solution. How it works like? According to the Schneider Electric example, we have the visor for KNX device. This device is the logic controller, which can control the whole infrastructure of the KNX. The visor controller is connected to the KNX bus and to the controllers, the input-output controllers, and we can controlling and monitoring some sensors, controlling the lights, the sockets and everything, like the roller shutters and all the devices which is connected into the controllers. From the visor, in the next phase, is the connection to Schneider cloud service. This cloud service is specially made using and according the third-party KNX IoT, which is integrated with our cloud. Our cloud is connecting for the user, for the interface, using the web access. That means you don't need any installation, you don't need any special applications to connect our software and to controlling it into your space or your computer, tablet, whatever. The second one is the NETx automation. The NETx automation have their own server, which is installed into the some Windows-based PC computer. It can be also the server computer. And using the IP interface from the KNX pass to IP, we can also connect all the infrastructure of KNX installation. And from the NETx server, we have also the IoT cloud interface made by NETx especially for us. And using the REST API, we are connecting to Simon Cloud and connecting to your devices and can bring you the visualization to your computer of your installation. What is very special in digital twin technology? In digital twin technology, we have the interface that is very intuitive, it's very innovative, and we can bring your property or your customer property into the 3D dimension as a build. It means that we have the digital twin of the whole property with all the information inside the property in their exact location. It means that if you are looking where is the, for example, fridge in the new property, you go inside, you can only click on one button, and the application will show you exactly into the dollhouse, as you see here, or it can be also like a walkthrough. Whatever you want, it show you the exact location of the asset or the device you have installed into your property. How it works and how it starts. First of all, you need to capture your space. This is most important thing, one of the most important things. You can use many devices for that. It can be the Matterport camera, the professional one. It can be some application for your iPhone or some other smartphone, iOS and Android based. It can be some 360 camera like Ricoh Theta, for example. And also it can be normal panoramic photograph, which is already implemented in our software, that you can put only the panoramic photo and you have the interface and the dashboard as the model. Yeah. Next thing is creating an account in our software. It's only going to www.sim-on.com, and then you can create your account and you will have the access to our software, and you can adding your space, which is step 3. Adding your space is very simple. I will show you in the next slide how it looks like, but it's very simple and everybody can create their own space if they have the capturing the space and also the one of the two possible option of connecting to KNX, and then you can establish connection and operate your IoT system using our solution. How it exactly works? First step is the choosing of IoT provider. You can choose the provider right now from the four different manufacturers or standard. This is Fibaro, SmartThings, the Schneider Electric, and the NETx. Then you need to log in into the provider account. The account needs to be done into the provider cloud. It's a separate step. And after you logging in and you will have all the configuration, you can import the data from the cloud of the provider to our cloud and to our solution. It's the step 3. You can choose for example, the rooms where is the devices already configured. Then in step 4, you need to put the link for the Matterport walkthrough. As you see here in the window, you will saw the space, which is correct or not. You can check it, and then going next, all the information automatically will be imported into the dashboard. As you see here, we have also the 2D dashboard like normal IoT smart home systems, and you will have here all devices into one place, but in different rooms. As you see here, we have KNX IoT. And then the last step is controlling your IoT into the 3D space. As you see here, on the 6th step, we have all devices into the 3D space. I will show you also how it works into the real application. Here we have the application. As you see here, we have the scan behind our layout. I can go to the scan. I can see how it looks like into the dollhouse, to the floor plan, and I can also controlling and monitoring the sensors, the light, and everything we have into the space. For example, the roller shutter and some RGB dimmers, lights. Everything we want, we can control using the 3D space. We have also into the right panel, we have all the devices which is installed into the space and with their XYZ locations. For example, here we have motion sensor, but which one it is? I can click here and I'm going to the one right exact location where it is installed. I will also provide you the our KNX digital twin showroom that everybody can go there and see how it works. Can go through the for solution, clicking, checking, and for me, if you will go to that, will be very important your opinion and your feedback, because our customers and our future users is very important for me. Thank you very much. Please visit our website, sim-on.com. You will have there many information about our products, also some movies, some demo cases and everything. And now I would like to invite you into the our question and answer session. I will be available, and Marek for you and answering your all questions.
Wonderful. Thank you, Marek and Miel. Now, what an attractive solution. That's a great visual environment. And this is my second time seeing it. I think it looks even better this time. So with this great interface, gentlemen, what do you actually need, and how long does the integration take on a customer site?
Well, if you already decided to go for the visual interface like Simon is giving you guys, the biggest obstacle right now is getting the 3D scan. You can do it with your cell phone, or you can hire a service. Just the scanning process takes up to 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. It's like a commercial facility, but let's say 1 to 3 hours on your site. You get a model in the next couple of hours on your account with the link to the 3D web-based model geometry model of the facility, and then it's just a couple of hours to connect all of the sensors and data points into the XYZ location. So that process can be done not only by programmers, but anybody with the basic computer knowledge can do it, and that's supposed to take it, after the scanning is done, up to a couple of hours only, and this is what you get for your lifetime with your digital twin model for your new complete interface. So a couple of hours only.
Wonderful. It strikes me you're the Hollywood of digital twins here.
Yes, and you know why? Because everybody's talking about the digital twin in the property sector right about now. But the question is, what is it? How to start it? Take your cell phone and start doing this for your own facilities, free of charge. There is several applications. Of course, we promote the Matterport application because this is where we're integrated to, but this is already in your cell phone. And we bring this big, fancy world of being digital twin for everyone, for masses, with all of those benefits that 3D model gives you for your facility.
Neil, I wanted to ask you a product question is, can you connect KNX using different gateways?
Thank you, Bob, for the question. According to the gateways, we right now have the integration with the two manufacturers, as I said on the presentation, the Schneider Electric and the NETx. But we are still open for the cooperation with somebody else. We have natively integrated the KNX third-party IoT API, and everybody who will develop the gateway with the standard and have the cloud service also possible to connect using the third-party API from the KNX, will be possible also to connect to our services. But using the NETx or the Schneider, we can also connect different manufacturers and make it happen even right now, but we are still open.
Sure. So this was really, the Schneider and NETx automation is a first partnership, but there could be more in the future.
Exactly, yes.
All right. Well, that's fair enough. All right. Thank you, gentlemen, for doing such a good job in answering questions. Thank you very much, audience.